Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I will unbox my beauty box of July. So if you can see, the box is like this. And then let's see what they have sent us. I have already opened it, so they have sent me so much. Look at the packaging. So let's see. Oh. So this little pamphlet telling you about the products, and this box is for 48 euros. They sent you many things, many good things. If you can see the product, yeah, a lot of things. So to start with, they gave me this cleaning moisture surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So yes, I have already used this cream. It is good for summer because it is like a gel, and it absorbs very easily. So yeah, I'm happy they give me this sample, 7 ml. So yeah, very excited to use this product. And the second product they said they gave me, this is a Shaka. Shaka, it is a moisturizing face mask. So I never use this. It is like a monodose. You use it for single, and you yeah, it is very, how much ml it is? 5 ml. So yeah, I never know the Shaka do even skincare. So yeah, and it is a very cheap brand, Shaka. So yeah, I'm excited. It says this mask is good for hydration. Yeah, this it contains aloe vera. So how to use it? Apply generously on your face, and let it be for 10 to 15 minutes and reshaque, and you rinse it with warm water. So yeah, this is the second product. And the third product is this is Olivella. It is a face and makeup wipes, and it is made in Italy, and it contains 30 tissues. I researched this on internet. The price is very expensive. It's around 8 euros. So personally, if you tell me to go to buy a wipes for 8 euros, no, I will not buy because so expensive. But I heard many people claim that it is a very good wipes because it is so gentle. So it is said dairy cleansing tissues, 100 virgin olive oil, makeup remover, green formula, anti-aging properties, natural ingredient, natural antioxidant, and paraben free. So yeah, it contains many good things to your skin. So yes, it is this small Olivella, made in Italy. So yes, I'm very excited, and very gentle to the skin, so your skin will love it. And then they sent me what? They sent me these chewing gums, Rizzo Gold. Yeah, I'm not fan of chewing gum, so I'm happy they sent me this. So if you can see, it is a strong mint. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. This is a fourth product they sent me, and they sent me this product. It is by Elibra. This is a Italian brand. So yeah, it's like a drugstore. It is a anti-cellulite cream. So if it's not written in English, so yeah, it is 100 ml. So it is a free. It is a sample size. So yeah, it is good for anti-cellulite, the packaging, and it contains caffeine, cacao, metillo, mantello. So yeah, senza paraben, senza petrolati, e poi è molto light perfume. So yeah, I'm excited. This is the 5th product. And then they gave me this. This is a shower gel. It is a sample size. You can, or travel size, 50 ml. It is Bottega Verde. The Bottega Verde. So yeah, you apply on the skin, and yes, you use it as a shower gel. So yeah, let's see the smell. No, it has a nice smell. So yeah, very excited for this product. If you can see, yes, very excited. And then they gave me this. Again, it is Equilibra. This is a sample size. It is a shampoo, moisturizing shampoo. If you can see, it is good. It is suitable for all type of hair. No, it is a shampoo. See, all type of hair, and yeah, it contains aloe vera. So yes, aloe vera 20%, and it is without paraben, petrol, SLS, silicone, alcohol, chlorine, and even they remove a lot of toxic ingredients. So yes, and it is a product made in Italy, if you can see. So no, I never tried this brand. So excited. And then they gave me this product. This is a hair oil. You use it before you go to do your shampoo. It comes with that. You spray it. No, I don't want to spray. And it is said it is Fictophilus. I don't know if you can see. It is Fictophilus, 50 ml, and it is made in Italy. Yes, it is a product made in Italy. So it is a vegan. I think it is a, yes, it is a vegan product, and for 50 ml it costs around 850. So it is said it's good for curly hair, and it makes your skin, it makes your hair so soft, so nourishing. So yes, and even you can put it on your face and on your body. You can, it is like a multi-purpose product. So I like this type of product because in one product you can use it for your skin, for your hair, for your whole body, even on your face. So yeah, this is a brand. So I never know this brand. So yes, I'm very happy because I know many brands, many products from many brands, because like this I will never try, never buy it. So yeah, I think it's a good concept. In one beauty box you get so many different products to try. And yes, this one, another product. And then this is a beautiful, this is from Catrice. Yes, it is the Icon Nails, and I don't know which is the color. No, I don't know if you can see. It has a color. So yeah, it's a very beautiful color. So let's try. And I try to see the price online, but again, I think it is a new product. They are I don't know. I didn't find it. So let's try it. The color is a violet purple. Wow, so beautiful color. Oh my god, look at this color. So beautiful. Mamma mia. I like it. Oh, mamma mia, look at this color. Yeah, so beautiful. So this is 5 ml. It is a mini size. So yes, I'm very excited they give me this product. So the full size product, I think they gave me this one. This one is a full size product. So yes, and then this is a last product they sent me. It is called the Nabla. I think it is it is an Italian brand. It is not known because you buy it only online. I don't know because I don't see they don't have a shop. Maybe no, I don't know. You can buy it online. So it is the color Supreme. So let us see the color. Oh my god, that's a beautiful color. Look at this color, how beautiful. It is like a coppery, red coppery. I don't know the color. Red copper, I think. Wow. You can see, wow, so beautiful this color. I'm excited. And it is said it is long lasting. Yes, it is long lasting, and it is cruelty free and vegan. I like products that are vegan and even cruelty free, that they don't torture animals or kill animals, they don't test on animals. So yes, and it costs this is a full size, so it costs around 11.50 euros. So yes, yes, it says it is highly pigmented and a long-lasting eyeshadow. So yes, I'm very happy they gave me this. So yeah, I think Nabla is a good brand because it's like a drugstore, but a bit, I mean, in between, I might say. So yeah, very excited for this product. And then they gave me this pamphlet about Elicubia. They sold product for, if you can see how much product, for cellulite, scrub, fungal, yes, so much product you get here. And it is made of, this brand is made of natural ingredients. So yes, as I told you, and they say how you can have a healthy diet. Even they have like a derma oil. Never heard this brand, never know this has a derma oil. It is like a bio oil. So yes, I'm excited. So yeah, this one. And what they gave me, yes, they gave me about clinic. If you can see, in Italian it is written. If you go to Italia Clinic, you buy this product, you get a discount code 25%. So if you are interested, you can use this code. Yeah. So I must say I like this beauty box because every month, at least in each box, they give you at least one full-size product. So yes, I really like this beauty box, and they give you a variety type of products, even like cream, like hair product, nail product, and makeup, even like food. So yeah, I'm very excited for this box. So yes, as I said, this box is valued for 48 euros. So yes, I'm very happy for this purchase. So we will so yeah, we will meet next video because I will get my Look Fantastic box. I will do an unboxing for my Look Fantastic for month of August. I don't know if they will send me early or next month, I don't know. So yeah, we will see another video and stay tuned. So bye bye, take care, bye bye.